So now we're going to do typical dry Indian curry, just using our meat curry paste, and we're going to have a dry chicken curry. And the ingredients: 300 grams of chicken, some tomatoes quartered, 1 big onion, and a sprig of curry leaves. On the flame, put the meat curry paste onto the pan. And now we introduce the chicken. Give it a good mix. And we add in the onions. Break it up. Mix. So we're going to simmer it a while. We'll just add a little bit of water. We'll add in the curry leaves. Those of you who are in countries where you cannot get curry leaves, bay leaf would be a good alternative. So here we are. Just cover, simmer for a good 5 minutes. Simmer, you add in the tomatoes. And you just let it cook just for a while. Almost done. And here we have the dry Indian chicken curry. Just dry it out a bit. And that's it. And so here you are, a dry Indian chicken curry, very authentic, just stir-fried with AsianMeals meat curry. Bon appetit!
Asian Meals, truly Asian.